What if you could create videos that get tons of views, incredible interaction, and most importantly, converts to sales? I'm Dan Hunt, and I've been in the entertainment industry for over 40 years. I've directed TV shows, commercials, and even movies. I've decided to put all that experience and knowledge into this how-to guide for creating quality video. In today's market, video is essential to improving your bottom line. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get thousands of likes and shares on their videos while yours only get a few? It's because they have taken the time to understand the process of creating quality videos. Creating great video content can help you promote your business, product, or service if you have the right tools. Creating Video Made Simple is a step-by-step guide that shows you how to write the script and use the equipment so you can create incredible videos that gets likes, shares, and sales. To start doing great videos today, just click the link below now.